Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, I would love to welcome you and invite you to return as a family member. My name is Courtney, and I love decorating, DIYs, thrift flip shopping hauls, and more. Honey, this is your one-stop shop for everything lifestyle. January was my birthday, and honey, I have so much to catch you up on. I know I've been gone all month, but baby, I'm back with so much content to share with you. Starting off with my birthday. January 10th, I celebrated my birthday and we boarded the Carnival Venezia en route to the Bahamas. And honey, the turn up was real. Fabulosity personified. So for this Tablescape Tuesdays, I'm sharing with you some of what I saw aboard the ship. Starting off with the beautiful two-story Marco Polo dining room aboard the Carnival Venezia. Beautiful, sectioned by colors, and of course, they had my fabulous purple section, which I fell in love with. And the pièce de résistance, honey, they had a gondola in the middle of the dining room. And if you made a special reservation, you could eat aboard the gondola. Now, how fabulous is that? Another night, we dined at the Hibachi on board, and there was a special birthday celebration and happy birthday song, which Big D planned for me. So that was fabulous too. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the adventure aboard the Carnival Venezia. Tablescape Tuesdays is a weekly open collab hosted by Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Amethyst Adventures, collectively known as the Ladies of Elegance. And we bring you Tablescape Tuesdays every Tuesday at 6 p.m. So if you're a tablescaper, come on and join us. We'd love to have you. All right. Woohoo! Nice. All right. Okay. Woohoo! All right. Fire!
Oh, another tank?
The grill
is on fire. We don't need no water. Let the motherfucker burn.
Red onion carrots and Japanese marijuana.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Sir, excuse me. Visible in your with the rice is fine. Visible with the rice.
Thank you.
Right. Japanese egg roll, do we from Spain? You Spain, my egg right round, and we go down, and we go down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo! Oh, nice. We get egg flowers.
All the way from Walmart.
All right.
Oh, it's a sunflower.
Sunflower. One more time. All the single ladies. All the single ladies.
All the single ladies. Put your hands up. Uh-oh.
you are my fire, the one desire to leave. When I say I want it that way, tell me why it ain't nothing but a party. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanted you to say I want it that way.
Honey, let me tell you, this birthday dinner was delicious. And so much food, we couldn't even eat it all. Did I show you the bento box dessert? I think there were 6 or 9 choices for dessert. So much food, and everything was absolutely scrumptious. I'm also showing you a couple of shots from dinner in the dining room. And of course, when we were in Nassau, we had to go back to the fish fry and have some delicious food and see our friends there. So I hope you enjoyed this adventure, and I have so much more to share with you in 2024. So stick around and be a part of the adventure, and I'll see you next time.